explore how technology is used in different ways to support learning.
Our lessons are too difficult. Does anyone have an idea how we can make learning easier and finish our activities faster?
Maybe we can use technology to improve our learning.
Yes, we can use technology or gadget, but how can we use them to learn better?
Oh wait, I've heard about something called SumArt. It can help us decide how to use technology with purpose.
That's right. SumR is a model that guides teachers and students in integrating technology to improve learning.
Again, what does SumR stand for?
SumR stands for substitution, augmentation, modification, and redefinition.
Guys, Mom sent me a message. She said that she'd be a little late, so she asked me to tell you guys to start answering the worksheet.
Are we getting printed copies?
No, she uploaded the same worksheet as the document. Just check it on your device.
I found it. It looks exactly like the paperwork we usually answer.
That easier, we don't have to wait for printed copies.
That's more convenient. We don't have to wait for printed copies.
Great! Let's finish it before Mom gets here.
And that is substitution, because the paper worksheet is being replaced with digital document. As we see, the activity stays the same, only the tool used has changed.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, Ma'am.
Today we'll answer your quiz using Google Form. Please open the link in Google Classroom.
Yes,
ma'am. Ma'am, I don't know this word. Use your phone and type the word and use the built-in dictionary then retrieve it.
Mom, I got my score right away.
That's the advantage of Google Form. It gives instant feedback.
That's very helpful, Mom.
This is an example of augmentation because technology improves the same activity by making it faster and more efficient.
Guys, Mom gave us a group activity. We all need to submit one output.
Let's use Google Docs and Google Sheets so we can work together at the same time.
Great! I'll enter the data on Google Sheets while you start the report on Google Docs.
I can already see your edits. We don't need to send updated files.
I finished the graph in Google Sheets. Everyone can see it now.
I know, right? This makes group work much easier.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, Ma'am.
I see that you use Google Docs and Google Sheets to collaborate and work better. Great job, everyone.
And that is modification in the SumR model. Using Google Docs and Google Sheets, technology transforms the tasks beyond traditional methods through online collaboration, making the group work easier.
Guys, we need to finish editing the video that teaches the SumR model.
Let's do it. Sophia, you edit the script online while Krisha edits the video and music.
Okay, I'll add a voiceover and subtitle right now.
Guys, I just put it on our school portal. Look, the other students from other classes are already watching and commenting.
Wow, we aren't just doing a classroom report anymore. We're teaching a whole online community.
Great job, everyone. We just created a multimedia project that connects with real audience. That would be impossible without technology.
And that's redefinition. Technology doesn't just improve, but instead it creates a new learning experience that wasn't possible before. Bye!